Sophie, and we live in Thornton Heath in Surrey. We purchased the property with the intention of renting it out long term, and then having seen our tenants not really looking after the property, we decided to take it back and renovate the property. They were recommended to us through some friends, highly recommended, and we obviously saw their works before we took them on as well. So you have to have the recommendation really, you have to see what works are like before taking on a company. We were just impressed by the way that their attitude towards building works. They were really, at all times they were friendly throughout and just really approachable. We've had a single storey rear, 2-storey side, loft conversion, internal refurbishments, and the garage as well. The outhouse here is called the games room, where the children and adults play games, snooker and everything that they want to do, keep the house tidy. They always arrived on time every day. They had quite specific times, which was really good. Obviously, if anything needed to be done for a little bit longer, they would stay longer. They always left the house in a really neat and tidy condition, because I had people coming around all the time to just look at the house, friends, family. So every time I was proud to just have people round, because I knew they wouldn't be in a bad state. The proof's in the pudding. You can see how it's benefited. It's a big change from before and after. I'd always dreamed of having an island. So that was the starting point, working everything around fitting the island in. We put 3 ovens in, essential for a lot of cooking and baking. A utility room. It's just basically, I tried to do a nice fresh approach to the kitchen, because it's the central point of the house really, and I wanted everything to look clean and fresh in here. So you find it's quite light throughout. I'm really happy with what I've had done here, so I would highly recommend them. Like with everything, you have to be. I was on site every day. You don't have to be, I suppose, you just leave the team to it, but I just came to check every day, and if you want something changed, they're willing to change things or tweak things, but for me, just perfect. I would highly recommend them.